Well, good morning. Trucker Todd here, and time for another video. All right, folks, I come home from work last night, and waiting for me at the house was this package right here. It's a device we're going to be unboxing, and I'm going to do a review, and we'll talk about it more, I'm sure, in upcoming videos. Of course, I'm talking about this. Check this out. This is the Intoval wireless magnetic charging system. It does your watch and your phone at the same time, so I can't wait to unbox it with you and open it up and see what it's all about. All right, folks, let's cue up the music and jump right into this unboxing. But before we do, you guys give me a thumbs up, share this video on your social media platforms. It's also going to have an Amazon affiliate link to get this if you like it. So go to truckertodd.net and check out all these things. All right, folks, here we go.
And this is why I do this, why I'm out here, why I keep that hammer down. Flying by these road signs with home on my mind, with these wheels turning round. For my family and for my kids, for this life I wanna live. And this is why I do this.
Alrighty, I'm back. And so we'll take the old handy dandy knife and cut the tape like that, and we'll try to open it up and let you guys see what it's all about. As you can tell, I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know what's in the box. I'll give you initial impressions, then I'll use it a few days and give you a full review. So, initial impressions, and we'll get to the device itself here in just a second. One thing I already really like is it comes with a power cable, and it comes with a 20-watt brick type C, so that is good as well. There's also a manual in here. It's in small print. I can almost guarantee you I won't read that. So nice to see that they're still including a good long cord. It seems like a quality cord, seems like it's built well. So that's nice to see. And as you know, if you've bought a flagship smartphone lately, it's getting harder and harder to get them to include the power brick. So it's nice to see that in there as well. Now let's look at the device itself. I'm removing the plastic as we speak. I really like the design. It feels sturdy. In the back's where the Type-C plugs in, as you might imagine. Up here on top is where your watch goes. And then on the front, it's got that MagSafe where you can just snap your phone on there. So I'm gonna check this out and then I'll tell you all about it, but y'all go to truckertodd.com. By the time you're seeing this video, I'll already have my Amazon affiliate link up. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. And so I'll get back with you with how great it works. Now, when this thing is set up, it's more than just a pretty face. It looks like this, as I showed you earlier, but when you put your watch on it, it magnetically connects, as you might expect, and charges. But look at this. This is why they call it 3-in-1. You can take your, I didn't mean for the screen to come on. Take your phone, set it on there, it holds it, and it's charging it. You can see it charging. But why it's 3-in-1 is you can also take your phone and get it off the magnet and put it down here, and it charges as well. So you could technically charge 3 devices at once if you chose to. Now, you guys know I like OtterBox cases, and they have a rubber backing. I was able to get it to charge on this top one. I just kind of had to prop the camera on there, but not real well. I'm going to look at some MagSafe attachments to make it work better. But I couldn't get it to charge at all on this bottom one with the OtterBox case on it. It does seem like the bottom one is a little bit weaker, but I could still see a situation where you could charge 3 iPhone products at once. Maybe if you had the earbuds, you could put those down here on the bottom and charge those at the same time. So this is a really neat device that I'm looking forward to testing more and telling you guys about. And so y'all make sure you're subscribed and go to truckertodd.net and check out my affiliate link. That's where you can learn more about this product and how to get your own. I'm not allowed to say the price on here, but it is really, really affordable. So I hope you'll check that out. All right, folks, that's it for this one. Look forward to doing another video with y'all in a few days or maybe a week or so, where I'll tell you more about how long it takes to charge from empty to full, things like that, my day-to-day experiences with it. I just wanted to unbox it today and give you guys a quick look at it. All right, folks, have a great day, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye-bye.